Look at, I must be famous or something if I got Travis cleaning my car before the races.
You are famous. You're my hero.
That's not true.
I want to grow up to be just like you someday.
Stop, Travis. Guys, if my car is slow today, at least it's gonna look damn good. Look at that paint. Travis is actually the original one that coated this with
Chase.
With Chase. What is his name now? Exquisite Auto Spa? He changed it.
Yeah.
Now it's Exquisite.
Yeah.
Chase is out of Dallas. Chase, where are you?
I know, Chase.
Chase sort of came down this weekend.
I know.
What the heck?
He's coming to Wham. Are you coming to Wham?
I will not be at Wham.
Oh.
Is that We Are Mustangs?
Yeah, it is.
So guys, we got the little CA tent. We actually have a CA booth over that way. So we've got the car set up here. Kevin's car was supposed to be there, but Kevin's car wasn't finished. But we do have a CA booth like way over there, which we'll go check out later and save video. But today we've got second round of testing before qualifying tomorrow. So we're just getting the car cleaned up. I did some maintenance on the car, just trying to go over everything, make sure it's good to go for second round of testing. And we're gonna see if we can turn it up just a little bit more today. All right, guys, so we made our first pass of day 2 testing. We made the same exact hit on that we did as last night. So left on 8 pounds. We commanded 18 on the CO2, but we only saw about 13, 14 pounds of boost. So Joe thinks with the bigger turbo, we got to throw a little bit more CO2 at it than what we had to before with the smaller turbo. So this time we're going to try and leave on 10 because the track is a little bit better than yesterday. So hopefully we can leave on 10, and that should make around 10, 11 pounds of boost. And then hopefully up top, we're gonna command 24, and we're hoping that'll bring it up to like 16 to 18 pounds of boost, which would be similar to like my 820 run, but it's just hard to compare because everything's so different right now. So we're trying to work through the setup. Good thing is we made an A to B pass, it hooked, it went down the track, and so now it's just time to turn up and see what it can hold. Typical streetcar shit going on here. So it's kind of hard to see, but my TBM pads are toast right now, so we're trying to find someone that has them. Oh, Kevin coming in with the light clutch.
Shit, boy.
So yeah, the pads are toast. I think the rotor will be okay, at least for the weekend. Probably have to get them resurfaced, but the pads on these are toast. I don't even know what I did with them, but I'm trying to find someone local that has them. Summit could get them here by Saturday, but yeah, we only got one test pass tonight, and we're supposed to turn up on the next pass.
It sucks because Summit said if you ordered before like 5, it would
yeah, we would have known.
David didn't know. So.
Yeah, we didn't know. I mean, and this just happened too, so we pulled it apart right away. But yeah, we might have to take like a Scotch Brite to that. But it's just scratchable. No big deal. So yeah, that's part of drag racing, I guess. It's the fun part, they say. But we went on the same boost as yesterday. Went 8.7, 129, 60 foot. So we're about to turn it up, and I was leaving the staging lanes to go run, and this shit was grinding so bad, so I decided to pull them off. Kevin said don't have brakes.
I said no brakes.
That's an option. We could put the rear
brakes.
brake pads on the
That's
front.
what I'm saying. Put the rears on the front. Ain't nobody braking from the back.
So we're gonna see if we can find some brake pads and put it back together. There's the old Dave, the new Dave. Look at that Nardo Gray, or what's not Nardo Gray, Destroyer Gray Viper. Amazing. Goodness. Oh, hello. He's just packing a little juice there. No big deal.
See, that looks good when it's painted.
That is so sick. Kev, what is you doing?
Mine's at home. Just hanging out.
Good lord. Oof. If you guys were unaware, TX2K is actually a GTR world.
It's like the Supras, SEMA, same thing.
There's so many GTRs here, but it's because they have like 4 GTR classes, specifically 4 GTRs. There's a lot of exotics here too. But look, see? There they all are.
Randy's cheating on us. He's working for 1320 today.
Cheating on you.
That hurts. So yeah, people are just breaking all over the place. Randy, how do you feel about this coronavirus thing?
I have it. It's not that bad.
Well, hug me then. Give it to me. Kennedy has it! She's contagious! Look how dead this place
Walk
is.
around blowing everyone's faces. Hi. Hello, how are you?
So here's my tuner's car, John Lund Jr. It's a badass car. It goes 850s. It's a blower car. It's clean. The man. I need that sticker. Someone find me that. Yes, I need that sticker. Mexico Racing League car. This thing is mint. Ooh. Here's their F-150 too. This thing is so sick. Twin turbo F-150. This is the next build right here. Legit.
Alright guys, some updates on the brake pads. Look at that. Literally a hole. You can see through my brake pads. And yeah, this one's pretty messed up. So this is the passenger side. So when I was coming down the track last night, I felt the car pull really hard to the passenger side, and well, that would be the answer. So we are currently trying to find some brake pads. Problem is, with the good old coronavirus that Kennedy does not have, they have moved racing back, or moved it up. Yeah. So we're supposed to have qualifying tomorrow. Now they moved qualifying only to Friday. Supposed to race tomorrow and nothing on Sunday. So I overnighted some parts from Summit to replace these, and they'd be here tomorrow, but the problem is now there's no qualifying tomorrow. So I'm still trying to find someone. Supposedly Aldo might have some, Manuel might have some, so we're trying to get some, but I already missed. They're doing round 1 qualifying right now. I already missed that, and there's another round of qualifying at 7 o'clock, so hopefully we can get some new pads before then. You would think it'd be easy to get some brake pads, but these are special for TBMs and aftermarket brakes, so we're trying. Look at that. Holy shit. Alright guys, update.
Are we updating?
We are updating. Supposedly, there are some TBM brakes at Ace's Performance, which is Brian Luna's shop, Mexico Racing League, and Aldo Weld's shop is there. So supposedly we're gonna grab the brakes off of Aldo Weld's car because he actually blew his motor at our flashlight shootout race, which his car was doing some work, but unfortunately he blew his motor because he has a stock motor. So he has been kind enough to let us go to their shop and take the brakes off. So we're gonna go check out the brakes. Hopefully they're the exact same ones, and we're gonna take them off his car and hopefully make a pass. So we only get one shot tonight. So if these brakes work, then we get one shot tonight to maybe qualify for the show tomorrow. So we'll update you guys when we get there.
Let's see what Davey Dave is up to. Gotta steal some brakes. What are you doing, Kevin?
Oh, you know, just trying to help.
Working on a Mustang.
Just doing my PG duties.
Average life.
This is not in the contract.
Where's Joe at?
Joe's working on my tune-up right now.
No, Joe's right there. I spy Joe.
Careful with the center cap when they come out.
Wouldn't focus.
Oh, yeah, he's got a ton, Dave. He'll be right. And his rotors look like yours.
I'm saying, he's got one I'm worried about. His black. But, I mean, it's a pass, right?
Yeah, but it's, I mean, yours felt smooth. I mean, they literally
You
look
didn't
like
see
this.
my other one, though.
Oh, is it that bad? Alright, well, we need to take this off. You don't need the caliper, right?
I need, in that little tiny clear one, just need the 8mm and the ratchet. Alright guys, so yesterday, closing out yesterday's video, we finally got the car running. Huge thanks to Aldo Welds for letting me take the brakes off his car. That was so awesome. Finally got the brakes on the car. The car made it down the track. Unfortunately, like I said, I only had one chance to make the main show, and the biggest thing we were afraid of was striking the tires, blowing the tires off, and not making the show. And of course, we blew the tires off. We didn't even leave. We left on like 8.5 pounds of boost, and it blew the tires off, but I wanted to make the show, so I got right back into it. The problem is I only went 920 at like 155 because I got back into it. So going 920, I made the last group of the show for the street car class. And so Justin Keith is number 1 at like 926, and I was number 2 at 927 because I only had one qualifying pass. So that puts me in that group, and I believe you can't go 2/10 faster than the fastest guy in your group, meaning we can't go faster than 906. So Joseph and I are working on a tune-up, and you guys will see in the next video how we do in the street car class in the sport group. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Super excited we got the car running, and huge thanks again to Aldo Welds. I'll see you guys on the next one.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. My pressure be calling. Look for my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm coming. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon it. Tell me.